Welcome to another herb series. In our last video I was talking about this herb and I mentioned that it has its own benefits. So let's talk about this particular herbs today. So this particular herbs is what we call ewe bloom bloom. This particular leaf is what we call ewe bloom bloom. I know this particular leaf for one thing. So for our mommies, if you've collected measles shot for your baby and you are discovering maybe signs of measles again in your baby or chickenpox in your baby, what you need to do is you will grind this leaf with black soap. You grind it with black soap. So traditionally they will say you should grind it with in front of your doorstep with stone. You mix it with the black soap and use it to bathe your baby. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. Another thing this leaf works for that I know is cough and catarrh. So just like this particular one that you place on the pot and use once it's steam and it's soft, you squeeze out the water and drink. For this particular one, once you place it on the pot, once it's soft, you squeeze out the water, you put it in the nostrils of whoever has the catarrh and in the ears, and it's going to clear. Go, 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 go. So yes, this is the work of this one. I know it has many benefits, but these are the few that I know about this particular herbs. Let me learn from you what you think about this herb. And if you know these herbs, let me know in the comment section. All right.